Hi dear students, warm welcome to our maths class. The previous class we learned about rectangle, tilting rectangle, new shape using with the set square. Today, now we are going to discuss about angles. What is angles? Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. The angles derived from the Greek word ankles, bend or not straight. The Greek word ankles. Angles are different types. Now we are discuss about the basic types of angle. The basic types of angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. The basic angles are three: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Acute angle. Acute angle is a acute angle. Acute angle is a acute angle. Less than 90 degree. Acute angle is a acute angle less than 90 degree. Between 0 to 90 degree. Next, second, right angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. Angle is known as right angle. An obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Angles are different. The basic angles are three: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Angles. Write down in your notebook angles. Subtitle angles. Two lines. Two lines. Two lines meeting at a point. Meeting at a point from an angle. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. The symbol for an angle to draw the box. What is angles? Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. The symbol for an angle is angle. May I clean the board? Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle is an angle less than 90 degree between Acute angle is an angle less than 90 degree, between 0 degree to 90 degree. Acute angle. Are you finished? May I clean this board? Next, right angle. Right angle. Right angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. First of all, to draw a line and to draw another line meeting at a point. This point is vertex, exactly 90 degree. This angle is exactly 90 degree. Angle CAB. Angle name, this angle name ZAB. And another angle LMN. Angle LMN. Okay. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. So straight angle, 90 degree angle. Write the name CAB. And another angle LMN. Next. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Example, more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree, more than 90 degree, angle is known as obtuse angle. Are you finished? Some angles are shown below. Shown below. Some angles are shown below. Write a question. May I clean this board? Which is the smallest among these? The smallest among these. Next question. And the least and the largest. Question number 3. Write the name. Write the name all of these angles. Write the name all of these angles in order of their size. In order their size. Yes. First, joining angle. Joining angles. First of all, to draw a line. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. To draw another line. The point is known as vertex. Name A, B, C. Next, another line to join. To draw another line. Angle name D. This angle CAB. First angle CAB. Angle CAB. Angle CAD. CAD. Next angle DAB. DAB. Okay. Do you understood? Any doubt? Okay. Various angles in our surroundings, your classroom, home, outside, we can see that various angles. And the various angles of some letters. The various angles, some letters. Various angles are some letters. V. First V. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle V. E. Alphabet E. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. Angle. F. M. N. W. H. Next Y. Angles. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. Two lines. Angle. This angle. Two lines meeting at a point from an angle. Angle. Okay. Are you finished? May I clean the board? Next, how many angles are there in this picture? 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 How many angles? Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 angles are in this picture. Okay. Any doubt? No. Activity. The last and final activity, the floor plan of house. The floor plan of house is the textual activity, textbook page number 31. Okay. I hope all understand today's class. All students, you should read and study. Bye.